fluoride,
because there
borax,
is,
all sorts of
it's very
nasty,
durable.
nasty, nasty shit.
However,
Okay, so the fumes are not good for you.
right?
Now we've got big space, so all those fumes are going to go up with the heat. So it means it's fine, and you really need to be breathing in like large quantities of the fumes to really affect you. But having said that, you still have to stick into it, okay? And as well, you know, for the recycling process, we're going to use a form of flux called borax.
Should you be wearing your mask while you're using this?
That's fine. Seriously, you'd have to be getting such large quantities of the fumes, you know, in a confined space to make a difference. Now, tell you, there's different forms of the flux, right? This is a liquid flux. This is called batterns. Batterns is self-pickling, which means it kind of cleans itself, and you don't end up with a glassy surface. You do kind of, but it's not as bad. And this is a Dandix. Now, the Dandix is a paste flux, right? Now, this one's non-fluoride, but it says warning, harmful or fatal as well. This stuff, when you're doing it, it'll sting your eyes if you get too close to it. You'll feel it like the acid fumes burn. But again, you want to be really getting an awful lot of it to actually really kind of be affecting you. But as a general rule of thumb, you don't want to be sticking your face that close to it anyway, so that's pretty much it, you know. It's more of a common sense thing than anything else, okay? Now, what we're doing is recycling.
Dandix, just for recycling.
Dandix is really good for gold soldering, and silver soldering. They all pretty much do the same thing. There's loads of different forms of flux. You know, other people will use blue flux. Some of the other schools, by the way, will teach you to cover everything you make in flux, right? With the idea that you cut down on fire scale.